Okay, my portable aircon I just used just now because it's very hot, and usually it will accumulate some water. So I've connected one hose to another, one hole to another hole, and there's some leakage over there. I need to fix that. But what happened here is I connected both holes with a hose and to this little automatic watering system. It will automatically suck in, but now I'm gonna do manual. Let's go 36 seconds, and it'll be sucking the water out. It's supposed to suck the water and then push the water to water the plants. Um, but in this case, I will push the water out, which is you can see the water is pushing out. You can push to the drain, or here you can see the water. Okay, so where do I put the water to? You can go to the drain. For me, I go to the aquarium tank filter, and you filter out all the dust, and you save some water for topping up the water tank, the aquarium. But it's still under experiment. See whether if the fish can handle it. If not, I will stop and go directly outside and spray as a mist. But oops, our robot is waking up.